Friends, in the series of various topics and contents of quantum mechanics of BSc Part 3 of Unit 1, so many topics, contents we have defined, delivered yesterday. In the series of various contents, I will deliver today the important principal theory of Heisenberg's uncertainty principles. According to this theory, the electron which is moving around the nuclei here, according to this theory, the electron which is moving around the nuclei at a time, it is impossible to evaluate, to find out the value of position del x and momentum. The first, this uncertainty principle is stated by, that is of Heisenberg's uncertainty principles. According to the Heisenberg's, when electron which is moving around, that is of electron, the position del x and the momentum to determine at a time, to find out, is impossible here. The various mathematical expressions derived, stated by Heisenberg's, the different mathematical forms of Heisenberg's, I am writing here on, that is of blackboard, in which first one, expressions del x into del p is equals to or greater than h upon 4 pi. H upon constant value 4 pi can also be written as h upon twice pi into, that is of 1 upon 2, where h cross denote the value of h upon 2 pi. H here denotes here Planck constant here, h cross to calculate, to give its many value. Out of these, I am mentioning here h cross is equals to h upon twice pi. Since del p which is equals to, that is of momentum, which will be equals to m del v. So one can write in another one form of Heisenberg's, that is of del x m del v, in, that is of intermediate forms, just is equals to, that is of h. There are so many constant value expressed by different ways, by the multiplication of uncertainty of principles in this series. Del x del p is equals to h upon 4 pi. Next one, h upon 2 pi into 1 upon 2. H cross is equals to h upon 2 pi. And in intermediate forms, one can write also here, where del x denote the uncertainty in position of electrons, del p denotes here the uncertainty in determining of electrons here. The multiplication of uncertainty in position and momentum either will be is equals to that is of h upon 4 pi or greater than h upon 4 pi. Furthermore, suppose for any electrons which is moving around the nuclei, we want to know the position of del x. Its value increases here. At the same timing, the value of uncertainty of momentum decreases here. At a time, it is impossible to find out the value of uncertainty in position and the value of the evaluation of for the determination of uncertainty in that is of momentum here. One physical quantity we want to determine, we want to find out that value of electrons ultimately increases. I mean to say, the probability for finding of the electrons increases here. At the same time, the second physical quantity is that is of momentum decreases here, because the multiplication of both uncertainty in position and uncertainty in momentum decreases here. The multiplication of both the quantities will be is equals to vary h upon that is of 4 pi. The mathematical these derivations can be calculated here by using here an important optical spectroscopic diagram here. In this figure number 1, here N denotes any electron which is present as rest mass electrons here. In this photochemically, in this optically device, a photon having the wavelength of that is of lambda now is now incident on these electrons. X-ray electrons, beam of electrons which is present here in the form of particle here, now on these electrons, X-ray or any photons now incident on this electron here. After hit of this electron, there are two possibilities. There are two possibilities here for the diffraction of photon here in p direction. Its momentum of scattered photon will be expressed by means of p dash is equals to h upon lambda dash. Lambda, the wavelength of incident photons, lambda dash here, the wavelength of scattered photons here. After hitting of this incident beam of photon p is equals to h upon lambda, there are two possibilities. First one, to move in that is of pq direction. It is also possible that is of incident photon after hitting the electrons to move in that is of q directions. The situations of PQ actually has been considered here as that is of X-ray microscope. In the same sense, the wavelength of lambda of this incident photon in scattered photon can be classified as P dash is equals to H upon lambda dash. Overall, these optical phenomena actually has been recorded, observed, actually has been seen in this microscopic features. The rotation angle is formed after heating of this electron is now expressed as that is of alpha. Now we divide the momentum in x direction in that is the y direction. The moment of scattered photon, deflected photon whose momentum actually has been expressed as P dash is equals to H upon lambda dash. The optical phenomena has been observed here, recorded here by this X-ray microscope. Now we divide on the behalf of the two different directions of this scattered photon, which is moving either of V direction or Q direction, by taking on that is of two component x and that is of y as one abscissa and as an ordinate here. One can calculate here Px is equals to H upon lambda plus H upon lambda dash sin alpha. This component now we allow to lie on this abscissa part, so that in that is of x direction the component of momentum one can write Px is equals to H upon lambda plus H upon lambda dash sin alpha. This alpha angle is formed by the scattered photon along with that is of abscissa. Similarly, in the case of Py, suppose the component we take in that is of as an ordinate direction, y direction, the positive sign will now be converted here. Py is equals to H upon lambda minus H upon lambda dash sin alpha. The change in momentum del P is equals to Px minus Py. Px is equals to H upon this one here lambda plus H upon lambda dash sin alpha minus next Py is equals to H upon lambda minus H upon lambda dash sin alpha. H upon lambda plus H upon sin alpha minus H upon lambda minus plus H upon lambda dash sin alpha twice H sin alpha upon lambda. Quote down equation number 4 here. But the resolving power from PQ microscope actually has been calculated here by spectroscopic method, optically method. That resolving power of PQ del x is equals to lambda dash upon twice sin alpha. Now we multiply here. Now we multiply here. Now we multiply here equation number that is of 1 and 4. Equation number 1 and that is of 4 del x into del p is equals to del x resolving power lambda dash upon twice sin alpha into del p is equals to twice h upon lambda dash sin alpha. Let us check which value cancelled. Lambda dash will be cut by lambda dash, twice will be cut by twice, sin alpha will be cut by sin alpha. H in moderate form, in moderate form, in a moderate form, one can write del x del p, that is of h, hence proved. Why we calculate the value of in moderate form? Due to uncertainty of position and uncertainty of momentum. Next, let us proceed. We will proceed the next topic, property of psi and psi square, tomorrow. Thank you very much.